In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide field in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a form field invisible to your respondents while keeping it available for your own internal use. This is great for admin-only notes, default values you don't want changed, or information that you'll reveal later with conditional logic. First, head to jotform.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled All. Click that to view your complete list of forms in one place. This gives you a clear overview and makes it easy to pick the exact form you want to modify. Next, choose the form you want to work on and click Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can make changes safely. If your form is already published, don't worry. Edits here won't affect your live form until you save and republish, so take your time. Now find the specific field you want to hide. Click directly on that field to select it. You'll see a small gear icon appear, or a settings panel will open on the right side. Click Properties to open the detailed settings for that field. Properties is where you control how the field behaves, from labels to validation, so it's the right place for visibility settings. Inside Properties, switch to the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab groups options that affect how the field behaves beyond basic text and formatting. This is where Jotform keeps the visibility toggle that controls whether your audience can see the field on the live form. Finally, turn on the option labeled Hide Field. When this is enabled, the field is hidden from respondents on the published form. In the builder, you'll still see it, often with a visual indicator letting you know it's hidden so you can keep editing as needed. Hidden fields can still hold default values or be updated by conditions. They just won't be visible to the person filling out the form. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Preview your form to confirm the field is no longer visible to users. And remember, you can always come back and turn the toggle off if you need to make the field visible again. If you plan to reveal the field based on user answers, pair this setting with conditional logic so it only appears when certain criteria are met. That's it. Simple, reliable, and clean. Save your changes and you're all set.